Hello everybody, this is Storm 101 here. Today we'll be looking at a forecast for Friday and this weekend. Now let's go ahead and get started. As of right now, there is, as you can see here on radar, severe thunderstorm watches issued up in North Dakota and South Dakota. There is a slight risk for severe weather today. Base threats are going to be damaging winds and large hail. If we actually look right on here, this was issued 35 minutes ago. Now, the severe thunderstorm watch has been issued for increasingly organized cluster of severe thunderstorms that should generally eastward over the watch area for damage with large hail. So, they measure wind gusts up to 76 miles per hour. So, that's going to be a serious cluster of thunderstorms to move over to that area. So, here it is tonight. Tornado percentages is 2% for both slight risk areas. Saifang there, and now both of them are pretty much about the exact same thing. If we look at for tomorrow or Friday, there's a slight risk again for Iowa and Missouri. Most likely going to be damaging winds and probably large hail. Now, this day we may have to watch for a possibility of severe weather as well. Moss has been a little bit strong on this, so we're going to have to watch that closely. Mainly for damaging winds and large hail again. Nothing there to see. Now, if we look on GFS model for August 24th, tonight, as you can see here, severe thunderstorms popping up North and South Dakota. Now, if we move on, we got a cold front going along through here. We got a cold front, get your low pressure system right up there, around Minnesota. That kind of continues on and it dies out wherever it reaches to the Ohio Valley. And then we're going to watch over here closely because Moss has been really hinting for big time severe weather for Wisconsin, Minnesota, and probably Iowa as well. So we're going to watch it. There's another big system there we're going to watch as well. And it looks like we may have a strong cold front on August 29th on next week. Now, if we go to temperatures, and if we look at tomorrow, it's going to be very hot from Nebraska down all the way down to Texas with temperatures in the low to mid 90s. So that is pretty hot temperatures. Same thing, similar story going along Louisiana, southern Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and Florida. They're having similar situations. Same thing for a little bit of California and Arizona, seeing some hot temperatures for tomorrow. Now, if we move on, it gets more hotter. 104 down there in California, Arizona. Another heat wave coming up. And it still sticks around. It moves more north as well. And, whoopsie. Did not mean to hit that. Now, as you can see here on Sunday, going to be pretty cool. September-like temperatures for the Northeast, especially for the Northwest. Maybe even see in the 50s. Now, look at this. Big heat wave. Now, this is still on Sunday. So, big heat wave. We're going to have we're going to have a high pressure system right in here. Just 1 second. Now we're going to have a large high pressure system going over most of the United States while we'll try to get some low pressure systems to come up off the northwest here. And be try to track it down that way, probably. So we're going to have to watch temperatures closely because temperatures can be pretty extreme levels. Now, the heat wave still continues, but look at temperatures overnight though. Could see in the high 40s. Look over here in Wyoming, maybe in the 30s. And you even see that little speck there, could see even 20s up there. And it stays pretty cool up in Wisconsin in the 60s. Overnight, 40s. Same thing, similar story to the Northeast. And look at this. Seems like we'll have a big cold front come through, and looks like we're going to probably have a trough in the east. And this is August 31st of next week. And then it starts to warm back up. And so on forth. Now let me show y'all something pretty interesting. If we look on the European model, right over here, rain and thunder, new snow accumulation. Next 10 days. Look at this, folks. Idaho, could see up to 5 inches. Wyoming, 3.5. We could even see that go up to 2.2, 2.3, 2.1. So most likely a pretty good amount of snow going along in the Rockies from system. So we're going to have to watch that closely. Let's look at GFS. Shows nothing for right now. But the European model is hitting on some snow possibly in the Rockies for the next 10 for the next 10 days. So this is pretty much all I got for y'all today. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to never want to miss an upload. If you hit the subscribe button on the right side, hit that bell icon, you will never miss an upload. And also don't forget to drop a like if you want to, and leave a comment what you think about this video, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Goodbye.